Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about planes and quadrants of abdomen. So first the planes and then the quadrants. Now we'll discuss the planes. So now I will tell you to remember three important planes. Please remember this, it is very important. Now first will be L1 where the transpyloric plane of adduction will pass through. Through L3 you are finding the subcostal plane. Through the L5 you are finding the transtubercular plane. Okay. So these are the three planes. Now let us see with the linea alba. This is umbilicus at the center. So linea alba is from the xiphoid process passing through the umbilicus. It will end at the pubic tubercle. So from the xiphoid process to the pubic tubercle. That is linea alba. Semilunaris, it's very easy. Same pubic tubercle, it will stop. But where does it start from? Is the 11th rib. From the 11th rib it will start. Okay. Now let us see with the quadrants of the abdomen. So 9 quadrants are there. Please remember this, very important. So I'll tell you epigastric and hypogastric region. This is umbilical region. This is hypochondriac region. Please take it as alright. So this will be left and this will be right. So hypochondriac, lumbar and the iliac fossa. These are the 9 quadrants of the abdomen. References from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.